How to increase the speed of your Shopify store. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss this and try to fix the problem of slow Shopify sites, because this is going to be detrimental for your site's health, as speed is very essential, especially in stores. So to get started, the first thing that I would recommend is to really discuss the app situation for your Shopify store. Some people have many different apps installed and they don't even use them. So make sure you click on the apps section like so and click on app settings, and you should be able to find a list of all the different apps that you have installed. So just really ask yourself, are you actually using this to every single app? Are you actually using this, and is it actually beneficial for your store? Are you actually getting any benefit from it? Whether it's worth having it or not is going to really just be up to you. And if you don't really, if you find an app that you don't actually use at this point, you can just go in and click on uninstall like so, just like that. And basically just go ahead and remove it from your store. So this is going to be a very, very important step to increasing the speed of your Shopify store. Secondly is, if you use a lot of images with your pages, you will try to, first of all, try to adjust the pages so that they don't have so many high resolution images or videos at one time, because this actually slows down your site quite a bit. So that's number one. And number two, try to just always, before uploading any images, to actually make them a little bit less when it comes to size. So you can actually use some website like Tiny, I believe Tiny PNG, if I'm not mistaken. Hold on, I'm going to show you the site in a second. So you're just going to grab your images, which are high resolution, and add them to that site, and it's just going to make them, tone them down just a little bit. So the site is Tiny PNG, as this one right here, basically. So you just click on it and upload your images in here, and basically just download the lesser version of your image, which won't really drop that much when it comes to quality, but when it comes to size, it really does a great job of decreasing it. Now, those are the main two steps that you can actually take to speed up your store. So those should actually give you quite a boost. But also try to install a more modern theme. So if you're not using a 2.0 theme, try to actually switch and use that, because they are pretty much just optimized for speed. So these are the three tips that I would give you to speed up your Shopify store. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.